2, 3, fire!
4. What is up to all the two warriors of For Honor? My name is Miguel, and guess what, guys? Before we get started with the video, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that I apologize if I've been lacking uploading any videos last week. And the reason why is my father is actually on vacation, and so I have to go ahead and take care of his business. So I basically have to go ahead and manage his business to make sure everything's all all nice and good. While he's on vacation, I have to go ahead and be the responsible one. So yeah, so I apologize for that. He's not gonna be gone for for a long time. He's only gonna be gone for about a week or a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe, I don't know. So yeah, so I'm kind of getting used to taking care of his business. So yeah, so I apologize if I've been lagging uploading some videos. I apologize for that. But also, I don't know if you guys know, but I have been uploading some gameplay videos of me playing Left 4 Dead. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. Like I said, I want to go ahead and upload some other videos so you guys get to see what other games I'm playing, so you guys get to see how much fun I'm having. Not saying that I'm not having fun with For Honor, because I always have fun with For Honor every single time when I play it. So yeah, but yeah, you guys get to see what other kind of games I'm playing. So yeah, it's really cool, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. But yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and continue on with all the stuff that we have to go ahead and talk about. So we have ourselves a new Vanquisher challenge in For Honor, a new Loot Fest, an arcade quest, a new emote, a new signature, and also this is gonna be the last week of the Yokai Nightmare event. Also with the event pass, the event items, and some event weapons too. I mean, no. Oh, scratch that. Not some event weapons. Some event items and the event weapons. I apologize for that. I kind of switched that up by accident. And I also hit my mic. I apologize for that. But anyways, let's go ahead and break all of this down. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is we have ourselves a new Vanquisher challenge for Honor. And it's going to be going on from September 30th all the way to October 3rd. And the Vanquisher challenge is be the faction with the most Dominion matches won, and first place gets 2,000 steel. So yeah, so if you guys want to go ahead and get 2,000 steel for free, be the faction with the most Dominion matches win. So awesome. The next thing we're going to be talking about is we have ourselves a new Loot Fest in For Honor. So yes, we have ourselves a Loot Fest, which is going to be going on for September 30th all the way to October 3rd. Now, for the people who do not know what a Loot Fest is, every single time when you go ahead and play For Honor, and at the end of the match, you'll be able to go ahead and collect some loot, it depends what kind of gear you get. If it's a gear for your for your helmet, your body, or your arms, or if it's any weapon pieces and all that stuff. So if you guys want to go ahead and get loot in a bit of a faster way than usual, because getting loot in For Honor sometimes it takes some time, especially when you want to go ahead and get the certain item that you want to go get. Like if you want to go ahead and specific weapon item, or you want to go ahead and get a specific helmet for your character, or anything like that. Take advantage of this, because you will get, basically it's kind of like a double XP for loot. So yeah, so take advantage of this weekend, and yeah, you'll be able to go ahead and get loot faster. Also, speaking of this weekend, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this for a little bit. But for anybody who lives in Florida, or anybody who is gonna be dealing with the storm that's gonna be happening tomorrow, hope you guys be safe. Hopefully you guys will be a-okay, because I know when it comes to storms and hurricanes and all that stuff, I know that kind of stuff is like really serious, and hopefully nobody who lives like in the Florida area stay safe, and hopefully you guys can make it out all right. So yeah, I live in Georgia, so I'm not that far from Florida, so hopefully things don't go hectic right here where I live. We might get some rain, we might get a bit of wind, but it's not going to be as like crazy how it's going to be in Florida, because Florida has to deal with a lot of stuff. So so hopefully anybody who is watching my video, who is watching my video right now and lives in Florida, stay safe, and hopefully everything goes a-okay for you. So yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue on with the rest of the video. So, we have ourselves a new arcade quest in For Honor, and it's going to be going on for September 29th all the way to October 6th. And the name of this new arcade quest is called the Favit Linguis. I think that's how you say it. I always botch sometimes when I'm trying to pronounce these, but yeah, that's what it's called. And for the people who do not know, in order for you to go ahead and play the new arcade quest in For Honor or the arcade mode, you have to own the March on Fire DLC. If you do not own the March on Fire DLC, you have to own the complete edition of For Honor. If you do not have both of those editions of For Honor, you have to have a friend that does have those two editions, and he could go ahead and invite you to a game, and both of you could go ahead and play the arcade quest together. So yeah, I'm just go ahead and giving you guys a reminder about that for the people who do not know. So yeah. But yeah, so the next thing we're going to talk about is we have ourselves a new emote in For Honor, and it's called the Rain of Petals, and it's going to be costing you 5,000 steel. And this emote is it's kind of cute. It's really cute, and actually fits Nobushi really well. Basically, you're just dancing with petals, flower petals, just falling down like rain, and you have your umbrella, your umbrella out, and you're just like dancing, and it kind of reminds of something from Mary Poppins or from the movie Singing in the Rain. If anybody knows that movie, that's an old school movie. So if anybody knows about that, just dancing, with rose petals raining on top of you, and it's really, really cute. It really fits Nobushi really well. And also I was looking to see, I was trying to find if there's any dances that had to deal with with the umbrella and in the Japanese culture, and I did find some, and the way how they dance with the the umbrella, it's really beautiful, especially when they do it in the theater. They're dancing with the music, and I like how everybody does their own thing when it comes to a certain point with the umbrella. Like one person does something, and then somebody else does it, and it's really beautiful how they can go ahead and flow with the umbrella. It's really beautiful. So yeah, I always like the theater. I remember when I went to go ahead and on my middle school field trip, we went to go ahead and see Phantom of the Opera. Dude, it's a beautiful play. I've seen the movie and I saw the play, and then I really loved it. So yeah, so for me, I'm kind of like a theater guy, and it's kind of funny because I did do theater when I was in middle school. I did it for 7th grade and 8th grade. 8th grade was the best because it was actually like a 50s theme, and it was really awesome. So I was kind of like a greaser, with the leather jacket, with the black boots, and the blue jeans, and yeah, it's really cool. Oh man, dude. So many fun memories that I had when I was in middle school. But yeah, sorry if I got sidetracked. But anyway, yeah. So this new emote fits perfectly well for Nobushi, and also Nuxia too, and also some of the other girls that we have that were in For Honor. I can't see Valkyrie doing this. That's just my opinion. I don't see Valkyrie doing this. Warmonger, I think some people will put that on Warmonger. try to make her Warmonger cute, even though Warmonger could go ahead and kick your ass and destroy you, so you do not want that. So yeah, but fits perfectly on Nobushi, Nuxia, and I think maybe Peacekeeper too. So yeah. Yeah, I read some of the comments that some people said that they're gonna get this for Shigoki or Shaolin, which is kind of funny. So yeah, but yeah, so that emote is available for all the warriors of For Honor. So the next thing we're gonna move on is we have ourselves a new signature in For Honor, and it's called My Neon Heart, and it's gonna be costing you 5,000 steel. And this signature is really awesome because I don't know, for anybody who doesn't watch anime. And also this anime show, dude, I haven't seen this anime show in a while. The last time I saw this show was actually when I was a kid, and I briefly watched it, but I didn't get to see much of it. And this signature is obviously a reference to the anime Sailor Moon. And for the people who do not know, the anime Sailor Moon is actually one of the most popular animes that there is, because a lot of people have seen this anime. Whether you watched it, if you watched the Japanese version, or you watched the American version, everybody knows who Sailor Moon is. And I think people that were kids, watched this when they were little too. The same thing as me. Like I said, I watched this when I was little. I don't think if I watched it that much. I'm trying to think of it. I do know, of course, the character, but I don't remember that much watching it. But yeah, so like I said, anybody who does not know what Sailor Moon is, or has not seen the opening, because it's actually the opening of every time when the episode happens, is really memorable. And for the people who have not seen the opening, here you go. So yeah, that is the opening to Sailor Moon. I played the American version, just because it's kind of catchy the way how it says Sailor Moon. So yeah, and if anybody does not know, Sailor Moon actually went off. It went through 8 years. The show started in December 28th, 1991. And then it ended in February 3rd, 1997. So the show actually went on for 8 years. And, I was born in 1994. So the show actually started 3 years before I was born. And then it ended when I was 4 years old. So, wow, that's really interesting. So yeah, it shows you right there that I did not know anything about this, because like I said, I only watched the show for a little bit, but then I didn't get to see it that much. I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite shows, that was actually meant for girls, is the Powerpuff Girls. Oh my god, dude, I can't, lie about that. I watched the Powerpuff Girls when I was a little kid, and I think, anybody who is a guy here can obviously, tell themselves you guys have seen Powerpuff Girls, right? I mean, Jesus, it's one of the most popular cartoon, the most popular cartoons that there is. I mean, the Powerpuff Girls, you get to see, 3 girls fighting against the forces of evil, and in the little town, and you have the mayor, then you have Miss Venom, and then you have all the bad guys like Mojo Jojo, and then him, and then the oh my god, what are the green king? Oh my god, what are their names? The dudes that were green, the Green Gang. I think that's what they're called, the Green Gang. I haven't watched the show in a long time. I barely have time to go ahead and watch cartoons right now, because I'm right here dealing with work and also doing some videos and all that stuff. So yeah, I barely have time to go ahead and watch cartoons. But yeah, it's been so. But yeah, like I said, I watched the Powerpuff Girls when I was a kid, through my teens, and yeah, it's one of my favorite shows. And I remember people have said that there have been some, conspiracies on something with, the professor looking like Samurai Jack. It's kind of funny, it's kind of funny how people do some conspiracies and all that stuff. So, yeah. So, wow, totally off topic. I apologize for that. Yeah, so this signature, is obviously a reference to Sailor Moon, and it's a really cool, signature if you want to go ahead and get this for, your character and for honor. It actually fits the girls a lot more, but I know some people are going to get in for the guys, so it's going to be funny. So, yeah. So that is the new signature. Also, like I said, the next thing we're going to be talking about is this is actually going to be the last week of the Yokai Nightmare event. So basically, it's going to be the last week for some of the event items and also the event pass and the event weapons. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the stuff that you guys are going to be missing out because this is going to be the last week of it. So for anybody who does not know, in the event pass, which is only, it only has 30 tiers, you guys are going to be missing out on the Yokai Invasion Battle outfit, the Incest Yokai ornament, and the Demon in Bloom effect. So these 3 items that I just mentioned are only available in the event pass, and today is going to be not today. This week is going to be your last week to go ahead and get these items before the event ends next Thursday. So make sure to go ahead and get your event pass done if you want to go ahead and get these 3 items. So yeah. And also the same thing with the event items. We have some other exclusive event items that are going to be going away right after this event is going to be ending on next Thursday. And the first one is actually the Demon Friend Brigade, which is the Luster's outfit that we have. It's going to be costing you guys 20,000 steel. So this is actually going to be your last week in order for you to go ahead and get this event outfit. Because next week it's going to be going away. The same thing with the event execution, which is the power of the dagger. It's going to be costing you 10,000 steel. So it's going to be your last week in order for you to go ahead and get this item before next Thursday. So yeah. Also, the same thing with the event. Wow, I just messed up my wording. Apologize for that. Also, the same thing last week for the event weapons. So, for the people who do not know, we have ourselves event weapons right now, in in this event, and they're going to be going away next Thursday. And the event weapons are available for all the characters of For Honor. Now, I am going to be uploading a video doing a showcase of all of the event weapons. So that's what I've been doing the whole time. I've been trying to go ahead and get all of the event weapons for all the characters of For Honor, so I can go ahead and give you guys a showcase. I am aware that they did a showcase on the reveal live stream for Year 6 Season 3 of For Honor, but I didn't want to go ahead and use that footage. I want to go ahead and use my footage. And yeah, so for the past 2 weeks, I've been working my ass off trying to go ahead and get all of the event weapons for all the characters. I mean, Jesus Christ, we have 31 characters in For Honor right now, and the next season we'll be getting also 32 characters. So yeah, I'm almost done with it. I already have 2 more characters left, and that is the Warden and actually no, not the Warden. It's the Centurion and the Peacekeeper. So those are the last 2 characters that I have left to complete. And yeah, so once I'm done with that, I'll be able to go ahead and do the video. And I'm going to be able to go ahead and upload that video tomorrow, because tomorrow I have a day off. So expect that video to come out tomorrow. And yeah, so you guys get to see the event weapons. So yeah, like I said, the last week of the Yokai event pass, event items and event weapons. So make sure to go ahead and take advantage of this last week, because next Thursday all this stuff is going to be going away. Well, the event stuff, not the the new signature, the new emote, and also some of the other stuff that I mentioned. So yeah. So take advantage of this last week of the event. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I gave you guys a bunch of information. I also rambled for a little bit. I apologize for that. That happens. But you guys enjoyed my video. You guys enjoyed the stuff that I give you guys heads up on. And yeah. thank you guys so much for watching the video. And you know what? Like I said, I'm gonna be going ahead and continue on, uploading the videos of me playing Left 4 Dead, and also doing some gameplay videos too. Also, I do have a trailer reaction, to some movies that are gonna be coming out in October, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload those on I think either on Sunday or Saturday. I'll try to go ahead and upload them on Saturday. Depends if if I'm not behind on doing some videos. But yeah, so I tried to go ahead and get that out tomorrow. Some trailer reactions, and those trailer reactions are to the movie, the new Hellraiser remake that's gonna be coming out next week. And also for the movie Halloween Ends. So yeah, that's gonna be really awesome. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening tomorrow, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned, cool guys. Bye.